In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, grade 3 students, Tarbiyah Namudajiyya School, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And this is teacher Ashraf Nuzha Campus welcoming you to a new online lesson. Our lesson today is going to be about Unit 4, Lesson 7, which is phonics. And in this lesson, we are going to study long vowels. Long vowels. So let's have a look at this PowerPoint slide. Unit 4, Lesson 7, which is phonics. You will find it on page 48 in your pupils book and 44 in your activity book. So our lesson today is mainly about long vowels. I want to tell you something. When you have one syllable words, I mean short words, one syllable, and you'll find A in the middle and E at the end, we do not usually pronounce the letter E. This letter occurs finally to have its own effect on the vowel before. So this vowel, which is A, is gonna be long vowel. We read it like A. So when you find letter A in the middle and E at the end, this is gonna be A, not A. The same rule with this. When you find one syllable words, especially one syllable words, and you find I in the middle and E at the end, we read this like I, not I. Also, O in the middle and E at the end, we read this like O, long O, not O. And in order to clarify this, I prepared a slide for you to notice the difference between these two words. Look, here we have fin and here fine. Why here fine? Because there's the vowel I in the middle and E at the end. So here we have fin, fine. Bit, yeah, I can hear most students saying the correct answer. Yeah, that's very good. Bite. And you can apply this rule with the other words, with the remaining words. So here we have not, and here note. Here we have rod, and here road. Here we have, yeah, that's right, plan. What about this? Plane. This is hat. You all know about hat. And this hate. Hate is the opposite of love or like. So now you know the difference between each couple of words and how the letter E at the end affects the vowel before. And it makes it long vowel, right? So if you go back to our pupils book and try to listen to this, listen carefully and notice the difference.
A, E, A, I, E, I, O, E, O.
I think it's crystal clear now for you. So here we have more examples. Cake. Wave. Number 3, shape. Time. Dive. We do not say div, it's dive. This is long I. You all know about this word. Like. Here we have bone. Home. And of course, Here we have more examples. I have got a bone in my leg. I like cake. I like cake. Dive under the wave. Dive under the wave. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. So notice the differences when we have letters or vowels E, when they occur finally, I mean when they come at the end of the word. When the letter E comes at the end of the word, it has its own effect on the vowel before, and this vowel is going to be long vowel, because vowels can be pronounced in a longer way and also in a short way. Here we have some pictures, and you've got to look at the picture carefully and work out or figure out the missing letters. Here we have I skate. We say skate, not scat. Here we have, this? This is ride a scooter. So here, ride, R-I-D, or in the past, road. You can say ride or road. Here we have nose. So here, O, and here, E. Here we have I, and here, E. Ride, ride, nose, nose. Here we have, is this plan or plane? Yeah, that's right. I heard most of you saying plane, because we have E at the end, so it's gonna be long A. It's A. So this is plane, plane. Thank you very much for listening and paying attention to this lesson on your pupils book. Let's go now and move on to our activity book. Yeah, that's it. You will find this on page 44. Here we have some words. Cake. Of course, the first one is done for you. Bike. Look, this is bike. You all have bikes and you like riding bikes. So, bike, cake. Can you look carefully and find exactly where the cake is? Where is cake? Look at this girl. What's she doing? She's eating what? Yeah, that's right. She's eating cake. So, this is cake. All you have to do is to circle this picture, and in order to make it more, a beautiful picture, you can add some coloring to this. Home, home. You know home. Where is home? Can you find home? If you move to the left here at the top, you'll find home. So you're going to draw a circle here around the picture of home. Here we have time. Time. Can you find the picture which shows the word time? Yeah, if you go here, look at this. What time is it now in this picture? I think it's 4 o'clock. Yeah. So this is time. Time. You have to circle this. Here we have, this is wave. A-E. We have O-E. And we have also I-E. All you have to do is to look carefully at these pictures and write the words here and match these words and pictures with the correct vowels. Here we have, this is bone. Very good. Bone. Is bone with A-E, I-E, or O-E? That's right. It's O-E. Bone. So all you have to do is to write the word bone here and match it with O-E. Number 3, yeah, this is clear for you. Nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. And match it with O-E. You know, you all know about this. Plane. Plane. Yeah, that's right. Here we have dive. Dive. Yeah, dive with I-E. And the last one, of course, is kite. Kite. Kite with I-E. And here with activity 18, all you have to do is to read this and pay attention to the long vowels. Yeah, I'm gonna give you 1 or half a minute, less than a minute to read this. Yeah, let's read it together. The boy eats his cake. He has got a bike. It's time to go home, but the park is fun. So you can pause the video and you can work out the activities, and in order to help you, I prepared the answers for you, but in order not to be used to having the exercises done or not to be lazy, I recommend pausing the video, go to workbook and your activity book, I mean activity book or even the pupils book, and do the activities before watching the rest of the video. So pause the video, stop watching the video, and do the activities first. Then go back and check your understanding with the answers, because I prepared the answers for you here. Yeah. This is home. This is time. Of course, this is done for you. This is bike. And this is cake. If we go to the next slide, yeah, these are the answers. Nose, this is clear. This, you know, all you have to do is to match it with OE. This is bone, match it, with OE. Also bone, OE. Plane, AE. Dive, IE. And finally, kite, IE, and at the end you're going to read this again. The boy eats his cake. He has got a bike. It's time to go home, but the park is fun. Thank you for watching. Thank you for paying attention. I hope my video was useful and interesting for you. Thank you. Till we meet again, goodbye.